Hey friends, have you ever tried to uninstall a recent update or go back to the previous build and then you encounter this issue where you get the error undoing changes made to the computer which should be there, but it goes for very long. Like someone said that he received the message for 19 hours. Now what can you do in this case? So there's no definite solution to it, but here's what I suggest. Power reset your computer. I mean, press the power button for long to switch it off, and then switch it back again. So I'll call it power reboot rather. If you are stuck and if you have returned to the page, then you do not need to do a power reboot, only if it's necessary. Then try a clean boot on your system and uninstall updates so that you are sure that there is no third party interference. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with Hide or Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And the last one is a malware scan. Okay, so press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command MRT and hit enter to open the malware removal tool. Now click on next, select full scan, click on next once again and it will initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.